What up, YouTube? BrokeFarmer back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And today's today to harvest sweet potatoes, y'all. I love sweet potatoes, and there's nothing better than free sweet potatoes. Come along, see how it worked out. Maybe it was good, maybe it was bad. Who knows? All right, I'm gonna start out with my small bag of sweet potatoes. It's probably, I don't know, a 10-gallon grow bag or something like that. I like growing sweet potatoes in grow bags. I love it. They grow great. They need a lot of water, but that's cool. It's been working out for me. But 120 days, they say, harvest your sweet potatoes. That's cool, but my general rule has been when they start dying back. Now we got a light frost and they start dying back. I think they'll come back in a week, but we just gonna have another frost. So best thing is see what we got, go in there, let's get some sweet potatoes, y'all. Come on. All right, y'all, look at these out. Now the first thing I'm gonna do, pull all these vines out, and these are going straight in the compost. See, can I get some sweet potato to come with these vines? Uh-oh. We got sweet potatoes on the first pull, y'all. Ooh, that's a nice sizing. Kroger, eat your heart out, baby. And I got my trusted, dusted gorilla cart over here. We're gonna see can we fill this up. Now, I got this right here. Make me think, if I would have left them, I would have got a few more sweet potatoes. I don't know. We'll see. Get the vines out the way, baby. We're going sweet potato harvesting, baby. That's a smallish, but it's edible. Another one I think would have been something if I let it live its best life. All right, now let's get in there. Let's dig for some sweet potatoes, baby. Small, but guess what? Edible. Ain't nothing like digging for sweet potatoes. Uh-oh. Thumbnail. That's a big one. Yeah, I didn't get these too early or too late. They right on time. But I'm thinking that big sweet potato was taking all the energy away from the rest of them. So I don't think I'm getting no more big ones out here. I could be wrong. Edible. I'm gonna have to pour this soil out. All right, let me get something to pour this soil out. All right. That's what we got from the 10-gallon grow bag. That's a big one there. That's a big one. And we're gonna see what's in the 50-gallon grow bag, y'all. All right, y'all, this is the 50-gallon grow bag. I didn't want to pull them up already, but I don't want another frost to come in and damage the sweet potatoes underground. I'm not sure how that works. I'm not taking no chances. I'm getting my tater babies out here now. All right, let's get all these vines off here. We got a smaller, but edible one. All these vines going in the compost, y'all. Look at that. We're just pulling up sweet potatoes, baby. Pulling them up. All right, here's another little bitty one. We're gonna eat it though. Don't worry about it. And I'm gonna show you how I store my potatoes so they harden up. All right, we got one with a little green on it, on the top. Now that's because it got some sunlight. So we're gonna cut that off And we're gonna eat this sweet potato. Nice little bell-shaped one. It's edible, y'all. You just gotta cut that off. Don't eat that green though. Look at it. Kroger, eat your heart out, Kroger. Kroger, eat your heart out. And then I see people with long vines everywhere, and they have small sweet potatoes. I don't get that many vines. It might be high fertilized. I'm pretty sure it's high fertilizer. I don't do much, if any, fertilizer to my sweet potatoes. I set the bed with compost, alfalfa pellets, and a little granular fertilizer. And after that, all I do is water. Put some water on. I don't fertilize every week on Monday. Sometimes you gotta let your plant grow, man. You can't determine everything. Stop trying to be in control of everything in your garden. Let your garden garden. Woo! Come on, baby. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Kroger, I know you watching Kroger. Thanksgiving time, Kroger. We ain't gotta come see you about no sweet potatoes and sweet potato pie. Look at him, Kroger. I broke that one. Kroger, this is what I'm getting. That's what I'm getting, Kroger. Y'all got something bigger than this at Kroger, and it's organic. Kroger, you got 24 hours to respond. 24 hours. After that, I'm putting you on blast. Nothing but these taters. It's all about these taters today, baby. 50-gallon grow bag. Most success growing in grow bag for me. Can't say for nobody else. And please do not wash these sweet potatoes. Knock some of the dust off, because we're gonna put them up for the skin to harden off, and we don't. That skin is very thin right now. We don't want that skin to tear or, you know, have scars on your tater. So just knock a little of the dirt off and get ready to store them up. All right, we just on the surface, y'all. We ain't even started digging deep yet. Taters, taters. Let's get some taters. Some of y'all don't like me singing. Don't take my joy away. Especially when I'm getting taters like this, y'all. Don't take my joy away. Do not take my joy away. I enjoy this. This is my peace. In the real world, I ain't a single, but in my garden, I can be whatever I want to be, y'all. Whatever. And if I want to be a singer, let me sing. Please let me sing. Uh-oh, y'all thought it was over. No, man. No, man. No, man. More taters. More taters than the law should have lied. The government know I had all these taters out there. They'll put my property tax up, because he's standing on valuable land. You hear me? Come on. We still getting taters. We still getting them. Nah. I'm about to get some, throw some of the soil. Uh-oh. There's something hiding on the edge. I got to get some, throw some of the soil in, because I know there's some taters down there at the bottom, y'all. So, hold up. All right. I know some of y'all saying, hey, man, don't use a shovel. You're going to damage some of your sweet potato. Look, man, I'm a trained YouTube professional gardener. All right. I got my bachelor's degree in YouTube gardening, y'all. Don't worry about it. I watch 1,000 videos. I know how low they is. I know you got some on the top you got to get off. And the rest of them way at the bottom. Uh-oh, I hit one. My bad. So we just gonna skim the top. Get this soil off. Calm down, y'all. I ain't hurting y'all potato. Calm down. Get all this soil out here. We don't want them potatoes. Can't eat this soil, y'all, but it's good soil. Good soil. All right, so let's take another dive now. See what we got. Where the taters at, baby? Here we go. I feel you. That's a nice one we broke off. Don't worry about it. Another lure. It's all going in the house. Don't worry about the size. All of them can get together like a Voltron and make a big sweet potato. If you don't know what Voltron is, Google it. Voltron. That's what these potatoes gonna do. And look, I was so into labeling and everything. I labeled the sweet potato like I didn't know what the sweet potato looked like. Yeah, y'all, one of them years. Sometimes you can be over prepared. Because if you labeling sweet potato, you're doing the most. If you really don't know what sweet potato look like. Sweet potato vine, y'all. All right, that's one I chopped up. Don't worry about it. Is there some at the bottom? I don't know. We're gonna go all the way to the bottom and see. Uh-oh, that might be all of them, y'all. That might be all of them. Come on, I know there's one more in there. Digging potato. Digging potato. Feel like there's one more in there somewhere. Come on to the surface. Come on to the surface. Where you at? That's it? I think that's it, y'all. I think we done got all the taters up out of here. That's it, y'all. No more tater. Moving on. And that's what we ended up with, y'all. That's a bountiful harvest, y'all. Now, I could have put more effort, fertilized it, and got more sweet potatoes. But guess what? It's only a few of us in our house. This enough to last until it's time to sow sweet potatoes again. And what I usually do, I get my sweet potato slips off one potato from last year's harvest, y'all. So this is plenty for me. I'm finna show y'all how I put them up. But just look at some of these big old taters. Ass of tater, y'all. Ass of tater. If you don't believe me, start following Kroger on Instagram and ask them the BrokeFarmer got the biggest sweet potatoes they ever seen in their goddamn life. Moving on. All right, for the people who wonder, how do you store it? Well, I got an outdoor shed. It gets a little light, not much. But you want them to dry. Don't knock the dirt off because the skin is really soft. So we're gonna leave them out here, let them cure, let them get them sugars going in there, get everything right. And I'm just gonna cover it up so it don't get no sun to it and it can cool off. That's how I store my potatoes. I've had them in this shed without any covering on them. Made no difference. Every week I'm gonna check on them, but 3 weeks they should be cured enough where I can take them to the house and we can store them for long term. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.